Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the air filter in a Subaru Crosstrek. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the airbox near the engine, then remove the clips or screws holding the lid. Carefully lift the lid and take out the old filter, noting its orientation. Inspect the housing for debris, clean if needed, and prepare the new filter for installation. Now I will walk you through removing the old filter in simple steps. First, loosen the screws or unclip the fasteners on the airbox lid and set them aside in a safe spot. Gently lift the lid and remove the old filter straight up to prevent dropping debris into the intake. Check inside the airbox and the snorkel for any dirt or leaves and wipe them out with a clean cloth if necessary. Next, we'll install the new filter and finish up in a few easy steps. Place the replacement filter into the airbox the same way the old one sat, ensuring a proper seal around the edges. Refit the airbox lid and tighten screws or reattach clips until snug but not over-torqued. Close the hood, start the engine, and listen briefly for unusual sounds to confirm everything is seated and working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.